the introduction to page 8.2. I apologize that I'm not able to integrate this in with the lecture video, but new computer, new stuff. I don't know how to make all this work. So this will be a little bit awkward or glitchy, but this will suffice. So what I'm trying to show here is we're going to study chapter 8 as two separate chapters, really. We can think of chapter 8 as being a chapter about gases and a separate chapter about solids and liquids. And I have this animation here to sort of show us why. So here's my solid water. And you can see the particles are sort of wiggling, but they're obviously touching. There's some force holding them together. When I switch to liquid, they're still touching. They haven't there's still some force holding them together. So solid, liquid, the particles are sticking together. Their motion's a little bit different, their energy's a little bit different, but they're clearly, mostly, there's an escapee, evaporation, right? They're sticking together. So that's the big idea. These liquids and solids stick together. Here's the other big idea in this chapter, is gases do not. There's no force that's keeping them together. They sort of bounce around like air hockey. Okay, that's the sort of intro to page 8.2. Now I'll switch to 8.2 and we'll take some notes.